how I made my first 1 lakh as a freelance marketer. Yes, this video is all about that. So watch the video till the end to know what are the steps I took. How did I make my first 1 lakh in my freelancing business? I started my freelancing journey in 2K19. Right now it's almost going to be like 3 years I started. So when I started, I had zero knowledge and zero clients. I knew nothing about freelance. I only thought freelancing is all about go get a project and then work and then get some money and then enjoy. But then I realized no, this is not the thing, and I started do these 4 things which literally changed overall game of my freelancing business, and that is exactly what I'm going to share in today's video. So stay with me. So the first step is I actually focused on learning high paying skills, that is in demand skills in market. I started with social media marketing, copywriting, sales funnel, marketing, ads, etc. This skills literally helped me so much in attracting good clients, also hitting my first 1 lakh revenue. Second thing, I focused on my personal brand and also started to market my services. So when I started my freelancing journey, I had literally no idea what I'm really going to do. But one thing which I did right was I started my Instagram page. I used to randomly post something around digital marketing which attracted some good followers, also getting the starting good clients. And then I realized the importance of personal branding. I literally started to focus more on that. But one thing what I did not do in the beginning is to market my services. Then I realized okay, if I have something, I also need to tell people out there that I actually provide this kind of services. And then I started to market my services. So then I realized this was a mistake what I was doing previously, that only randomly posting some content on Instagram on digital marketing, but I never spoke about what exactly are my services. So how will people know what are the services she's providing? So definitely you have to talk about your services. Third one is I crafted an offer around my services, which again brought a huge difference. So another pro tip here is if you are a freelancer or starting your freelancing journey, or you have a product or services, guys, remember offer is really important, and offer is the key to everything. So create an irresistible offer around your product or services and look at the magic what's happening. So, and last one is I connected and networked with like-minded people. Now this is literally very important. You need to network with like-minded people. When I started in the beginning, I had my show called as The Nida for the Show, but right now it's on hold. But yes, when I started and I hit my first 1 lakh, this was now what I used to do here is I used to call these people in the industry who have done really well. I used to connect with them. We used to get on an interview where I used to interview them, asking about their journey, what are the mistakes they did. Now through this, what happened, I connected with like-minded people. I also got to know what exactly is their journey, what are the mistakes they did. I also shared with my audience, who also got to learn from them. I also got to learn so much. Now through this, I got an idea okay, so what are the steps they did, rough roadmap kind of a thing. And lastly, by listening to what are the mistakes they did, I got an idea what are the things I should not do in my journey. So which literally again helped me so much. So these are the 4 things I basically did. First, learning high paying skills. Second one is focus on my personal brand and marketing my services. Third, creating irresistible offer. And last one is to connect with like-minded people. Now remember one thing, invest in yourself. It's really very important. When you take right steps and invest in someone who have already done these things for their client, then you can really achieve or hit your business or revenue goals very soon. The work which will take you for 9 months, you can literally do it in 3 months. So that's very important, and that's why it's really important to invest in a good mentor who have already done it. So if you are someone who is planning to start your freelancing journey or already into freelancing, then I do have my own program called as Freelance Marketer Secrets. You can check the link in the bio. I do have that. It's basically a 12 weeks program wherein I literally handhold and support them. I take very less people, and to help you hit your revenue goal from 30k to 1 lakh per month, wherein I basically cover everything from where you can learn high paying skills like funnels, ads, how do you create offer, what exactly is traffic, how do you figure out your niche, everything. And then the best part about this program is this is not a theory course. It's basically a very practical course where I basically gamified everything, me and my team, wherein after each and every session you'll also be getting the assignments where you'll get a hands-on experience on each and every module. You will know exactly, okay, how do I do this, how do I do that. And also the very important, my favorite part is the sales class. You will understand everything how do you get clients, how do you pitch them, how do you close deals on discovery call, everything. So to know more about it, check the link in the bio. You will get everything. So also the results what I've got for my clients, my first batch students, what results they have got, everything. If this is something that interests you, I would love to see you inside. So see you in the next video.